When it comes to maintaining the interior of your car, finding the right product that not only cleans but also conditions can be a challenging task. That's why I was excited to try out Car Magic Complete Interior Cleaner and Conditioner, a multi-purpose cleaner that promises to tackle everything from leather seats to vinyl dashboards without leaving behind a greasy residue. Today, I'll be sharing my experience using this product on my car, which has a combination of leather and vinyl interiors that frequently collect dust and dirt from daily use. First off, let's talk about the ease of use. The Car Magic Cleaner comes in a convenient 16-ounce spray bottle, making it easy to apply directly onto any surface of your car's interior. During my test, I sprayed it onto the leather seats, the vinyl dashboard, and even the rubber parts of the door interiors. The spray mechanism works smoothly, distributing the cleaner evenly. One of the key features of this cleaner is its ability to clean and condition. I noticed that after wiping down the surfaces, not only was the dirt and grime gone, but the surfaces felt softer and looked more vibrant. The leather seats, in particular, had a renewed richness and color without any of the slick. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.